while due to induction there will be negative charge on the inner face of second plate and equal amount of positive charge will appear on the outer surface of this second plate, which is neutralized by ground connection. Now what will happen to the electric field? You may see the electric field between these two plates is uniform. Electric field between these two plates is uniform except near the edges. सिर्फ एजेस को छोड़ दिया जाए तो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन दोनों प्लेट्स के बीच में यूनिफॉर्म रहता है. नाउ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड बिटवीन द टू प्लेट्स, you know, electric field between two oppositely charged plates having surface charge density sigma is E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. E is equal to sigma upon epsilon naught, where sigma is the surface charge density, and you know surface charge density is equal to charge per unit area. So this can be written as Q upon epsilon naught A. This is the electric field in between these two plates. Now in order to find the value of capacitance of this capacitor, you know, the expression is C is equal to Q upon V. Means we have to find the electric potential difference between these two plates, and in order to find the electric potential difference between these two plates, you know, since E is equal to V upon D, E is equal to V upon D. Actually this is potential gradient, therefore using this V is equal to ED, and V is equal to ED means V is equal to E means Q upon epsilon naught A, and this is D. So the capacitance of the capacitor can be written as C is equal to Q upon V, and in place of V you have QD upon epsilon naught A. This is QD upon epsilon naught A. Q will be cancelled with Q, and finally you are left with capacitance of the capacitor is epsilon naught A upon D. This is all about the capacitance of the capacitor. In this we are seeing that the capacitance of the capacitor is directly proportional to the plate area and is inversely proportional to the separation between these two plates. Now if some dielectric material is filled between these two plates, some dielectric material is filled in between the two plates, in that condition its capacitance may be written as, this is the permittivity of free space. जब इन दोनों के बीच में वैक्यूम था तब हमने मीडियम के लिए एप्सिलॉन नॉट लिया है, लेकिन अगर हमने कोई डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम प्लेस कर दिया है तो उस कंडीशन में दिस विल बी एप्सिलॉन A अपॉन D, एंड यू नो एप्सिलॉन इज इक्वल टू K एप्सिलॉन नॉट A अपॉन D. This is the value of capacitance of the capacitor with the dielectric medium between the two plates. Now what you are seeing from these two relations, you are seeing that Cm upon C is equal to K. Cm, capacitance of the capacitor with medium, upon capacitance of the capacitor, same capacitor without that dielectric medium, is equal to K. Means Cm is equal to Kc. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि डाइलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल इसमें प्लेस कर देने पे इसका कैपेसिटेंस K टाइम इंक्रीज हो जाता है. यहां से हम डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट को डिफाइन भी कर सकते हैं. डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट ऑफ द डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम इज द रेशियो ऑफ कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ द कैपेसिटर विद दैट डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम. कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ द कैपेसिटर विद दैट डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम. ये डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम भर करके इसका कैपेसिटेंस देख लिया हमने Cm. टू दैट ऑफ द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ सेम कैपेसिटर विदाउट दैट डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम. इस डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम के बिना जो इसका कैपेसिटेंस होगा C, और डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम भरने के बाद जो कैपेसिटेंस होगा Cm अपॉन C इज इक्वल टू K. दिस इज द डाइलेक्ट्रिक कांस्टेंट ऑफ the dielectric medium. That's all for today. Thanks.